What if I told you there's a way to slow down time? Not in theory, but in your actual life. To make a week feel like a month, a year feel full again, and your days impossibly rich. It's not magic, it's neuroscience. And once you understand it, you'll realize time has never been moving faster. You've simply been noticing less. Every second of your life is filtered through your brain's perception of change. That's right. Time doesn't live in clocks or calendars. It lives in contrast. And the more predictable your world becomes, the fewer changes your mind detects, and the faster your life seems to vanish. Think back to childhood. Every day was a story, every smell, a discovery. Your brain was flooded with novelty, recording thousands of details per minute. That's why summers felt endless. Now years blur into each other because routine starves the brain of difference. But here's the secret. You can reverse it. You can train your brain to stretch time again. Not by slowing life down, but by living in higher resolution. The first step, break your patterns. Novelty expands time. Routine compresses it. Take a new route. Eat something you've never tried. Meet someone unexpected. Every disruption forces your brain to wake up, and when it wakes up, time opens up. Second, engage your senses. Mindfulness isn't about calm, it's about detail. When you truly feel the wind, hear the layers of a city sound, or notice the color of someone's eyes, you're recording more information per moment. And more information means more time. Third, seek intensity. Moments that scare you, challenge you, push you outside comfort, they slow perception to a crawl. That's why extreme experiences feel eternal. They awaken a part of your mind that routine gently puts to sleep. And finally, reflect. Memory is the true measure of time. When you write, record, or simply stop to notice your day, you anchor it in the mind. Without anchors, days drift away unnoticed. Here's the truth. You don't need to control time. You need to fill it. The more aware you are, the slower the world becomes. Because awareness is gravity, and it pulls moments toward meaning. So yes, you can slow down time. Not by fighting the clock, but by learning to see again. To live as if every day is your first and your last. That's when life finally stops rushing by and begins to unfold. This is UNVEIL, where we decode the hidden science of being human. Subscribe and see your world in slow motion.